And welcome to today's video. And for a little while, I've had a load of sheared off bolts on the N16 Almera, including this one in the boot, which only happened recently when I was overhauling the suspension. So they were all M6 bolts. So I got a load of M6 bolts, and if you actually try to buy the official Nissan ones, they're like £3.49 each. They're not exactly cheap. So I got a load of generic ones, which do the job. And all I did was basically use an increasing sizes of drill bits. I effectively just bored out the hole until I got to the thread itself. By the time I was at the thread, the drill, certainly when it was on a about a 5 millimeter bit, would actually remove the remains of whatever bolts were left in there. So you can see here that's transformed the boot area, so I can use those two side net things again. These ones were a little bit more critical to sort out because they hold on these two mounting plates that secure the radiator in place. So although one of the bolts was okay and still there, the other one wasn't. So you would, over extreme bumps, actually get a bit of a rattle from the front end, which was the whole radiator pack moving slightly. So it was a bit of a priority to get those sorted out. So same method again, drill with smaller bits, work your way up to larger bits. You'll actually notice I'm using some penetrating oil, plus gas in this case, as I'm going through. That's not only to lubricate and cool drill bits, but also to dissolve or try and get rid or shift any rust that may be holding us back. And she did quite well, to be honest. I was able each time to get the bolt in quite nicely. But I had some additional problems with this headlight one. So the actual bolt had sheared slightly proud, and rather than remove the entire light, I decided to drill it out, but actually drill it out slightly bigger than the actual thread itself. So all I had to do in this instance was drill it to about 6.5 mil, bolt in, and then feed a nut onto the end of the bolt to hold it in place. And that has actually worked, to be honest. That has done exactly what I needed to do. Total cost of the bolts, it was about, I think it's about £7 for 10 of them, if I remember rightly. So I've actually got a few left over for other areas. And other area which I did sort was the header tank, which I didn't show on camera. Did that after actually I finished filming, but the header tank now sits properly in the engine bay. It's just little changes like this that just sort of make the difference and sort of bring the whole thing together. Anyway, that's it for today. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful rather than interesting, or interesting, I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching, take care, and see you soon.